In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop MSN from opening on Microsoft Edge. Let's go step by step so you can change what appears when you open your browser and keep it that way. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can do this from your taskbar, your desktop, or your Start menu, whichever you normally use. Once Edge is open, we're going to head straight into the settings so we can control what shows up on startup. Look toward the top right corner of the Edge window and find the three dots that indicate the menu. Click on those dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Edge's configuration options. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, look for the section labeled Start, Home, and New Tabs, or Start, Home, and New Tab Pages, depending on your version of Edge. Click that. This is where Microsoft decides what you see when you first open the browser or open a new tab. Now, under the When Edge Starts section, you'll see a few options. Usually, you'll see choices like Open the new tab page, Open a specific page or pages, or Open tabs from the previous session. If MSN keeps appearing, it's often because the new tab page or a specific page is set to Microsoft's default content, which includes MSN News and similar feeds. To avoid that, choose the option that works best for you. If you prefer a clean experience, select Open a specific page or pages. Then add a page you actually want, like a blank page or a favorite site. If you want a completely neutral start, many people use a simple search engine page, since it doesn't push news or MSN-style content. After setting that, scroll a bit further down to the New Tab Page section. Click the button that says Customize or Customize New Tab Page. A preview of your new tab layout will appear. Here, you can adjust the layout to remove the newsfeed that pulls content from MSN. Change the layout to something like Focused or Custom, and then toggle off options for Show Newsfeed or similar content if that setting is available. This reduces or completely removes the MSN-style feed from your new tab. When you're done, simply close the Settings tab. To make sure everything worked, close Edge completely, then reopen it. You should now see your chosen page instead of MSN, and your new tabs should follow the layout you just configured.